Graham Stephan, David Dobrik, and Logan Paul. These guys are the three of the biggest earners on YouTube, but what about little old me? Well, here's what I made on YouTube in November 2020. From YouTube, I made 74 pence. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Euan, and on this channel we talk about personal finance and investing in the stock market. So if that's something that tickles your fancy, then why not hit the subscribe button? And if you like dodgy facial hair, why not hit the like button as well? So in this video, I will show you how much money I made from YouTube and the 4 sources of income that come with it. And I'll tell you what, it's been a good month. And don't forget, it's the last day you can enter the £100 giveaway, so make sure you stick around to the end so you can hear a bit more about that. So we've just completed the 3rd month of full YouTube monetization, and it's still going very, very well. So thank you to everyone who's watched, liked, comment, or even just left it on while you've gone to the loo or whatever. It really does mean a lot, and it does help out the channel, so thank you. The reason I want to share how much money I'm making on YouTube is because I want to be really transparent with you and hopefully inspire maybe at least one of you to start your own YouTube channel or side business or something, because I'm really nothing special. I just started this a few months ago, well, a year ago, but I started making money from it around 5 months ago. Obviously, not everyone wants to start a side business or make some money online, and that's totally okay. If you just want to be nosy and watch the video, then fine by me. So November was a really, really good month for me because it's the 6th month of consecutive growth of my YouTube income. Obviously, not all of that has come from YouTube ad revenue, but other sources as well. I've identified these 3 reasons why it's growing this month. So we've got the CPMs are a little bit higher. I'm not sure why. I think it's probably due to companies still having a bit of marketing budget left over, so they're just piling it into YouTube ads. Who knows? The second reason is the views that I've got this month are increased from the previous month. So I think I've got 38,000, which is really, really good. I'm very happy, and hopefully it continues to grow. And the third reason is, I don't really know how to put this, but I'm kind of a big deal on TikTok now. It's not a massive deal. Oh, I've heard that one before. But in the last month, I posted a fair few TikToks, which has grown that, and then it's also grown the income coming from this channel because I've managed to funnel people over here and vice versa. So it's really, really good. Very pleased. Hopefully it continues at this growth rate. Anyway, enough of my terrible chat. Let's get into it. I managed to forget about this last month, but oh well, I'm doing it now. Amazon affiliates. I made £12.42 from Amazon affiliates this month, and I think this is because I posted this TikTok, and along with this TikTok I put a link to the book in the description, and I think a load of people went over to buy it, so happy days. And if you want to buy it, the link is in the description below. Plug. But yeah, I'm super pleased with that, so hopefully it continues to grow by posting on TikTok or on here or whatever. And in second place is my Patreon. So this month I actually made a lot more than I did last month, or 3 or 4 times more. I made £12.59 from Patreon, so shout out to Daz, Jonathan, and Jesse. And I'm still working out the best way to use Patreon, so please do let me know if you can think of anything that I can help you with. So the next source is fairly similar, but there's less actually value coming from me, but luckily people are very kind and have actually bought me a coffee. So I've had 2 people buy me a coffee this month, so no joke, that was cool for my boss. So I've had 2 people buy me a coffee this month, which has been really, really good. Shout out Daz again. I'll leave his YouTube down in the link below. And James, one of my friends, has very kindly bought me a coffee, and I'll leave his link to his Instagram if you want to go support these guys, because they're supporting me, and that'd be kind, wouldn't it? So this month from Buy Me a Coffee, I made £16.87. So this month I didn't do any sponsored content or anything, because I'll only do stuff that I really truly believe in and will provide value to you lot. So yeah, hopefully something will come along fairly soon, because I feel like there's quite a bit of money involved in that, but I'm not rushing this because I'm in this for the long term, and hopefully you can agree with that and respect that. That's my story. And on to the next income source. This has actually increased 32% from last month, which is crazy. And this is the one that I may have sort of clickbaited you with. This is my YouTube AdSense. This month I made £826.74. This is from the 38,000 views that I got this month on this channel. So that's really, really good. And hopefully I can get to 50k views every single month, because that would be a really solid amount. I think I'd work out around £1,000 every single month, which would be a solid, solid payment. And I'd be super happy with that. And yeah, fingers crossed. But it's not always going to be this reliably high, so I need to diversify my income, just in case I get cancelled because I've got a dodgy tash and a donut t-shirt. I don't want that to happen. But if it does, then at least I've got something coming in and I've got time to go get a job again. Hopefully not. And the highest income source this month, and the one that's been most affected by the new TikTok audience, is the Trading 212 free shares. So if you don't know about this, when you guys sign up to Trading 212, you get a free share and I also get a free share. So if you want to do that, link is in the description. And in the month of November, I received 94 free shares. So 94 people signed up using my link, and that equaled 1,012p from free shares, which is crazy. £1,000 in free shares is just mind-blowing. In October, I thought I was gonna get there, but I didn't quite, but I did in November, so I'm really, really happy about that. And hopefully it continues in December. Everyone wants to get into investing in December. Hopefully, we'll see. So thanks to anyone who has signed up using my link, because it really does help support a aspiring YouTuber's dream. Oh, I don't know why I'm laughing, because it's actually true. So before I add it all up, unless you've already done it, let me just tell you about the £100 giveaway. If you want to enter, all you have to do is follow the link to the Just Giving page down below and donate at least £5. And if you could follow my Instagram, because that's where I'll be announcing the winner tomorrow evening. So this is your last chance to get involved if you want to get involved. And the money is going to a good cause and it's close to my heart. Please, if you have a spare £5, that'd be very, very kind. And you might be in with a chance of winning £100. So in total, in November, from YouTube, I made £1,868.74. So again, this is pre-tax, but I'm really, really happy with how this turned out. And I'm really grateful for everyone who's liked, followed, blah, blah, because it's really, really helping the channel. And I feel like I'm in touching distance with becoming a full-time YouTuber, which is madness because I didn't think that was actually possible. So fingers crossed, because if I earned what I'm earning this month, every single month, I'd earn 22 grand every single year, which is obscene. Obviously, this is a very volatile industry, but this is actually crazy, and I could definitely leave my job if I made this money every single month. So we'll see how it goes over the next few months, and we'll see what position I am in. But once again, I need to thank all of you, because it's only down to you that you've created this audience and you create this community, and you've created the opportunity for me to earn this money and potentially change my life for the future. So thank you very much again. Try not to cry. Anyway, that's it from me. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, drop a like and subscribe if you want to hear more about this, because I do monthly updates on my income. And comment if you can think of any more income sources that I can add to this. I'm not a millionaire, but I'm trying to help you become one. So peace.